So viewers, in the Indian Republic, there are moments that are not about politics, power or position, but about tradition, tribute and the nation's soul. The beating retreat ceremony is one such moment, marking the formal end of the Republic Day celebrations. The grand spectacle at Vijay Chowk is a visual and musical ode to India's armed forces, to honor their sacrifice, to gain inspiration from their discipline and to the continuity of national memory. The President of India, the Vice President, the Prime Minister, top government functionaries and top military leadership are all present to show unity. This year, the theme was 150 years of Vande Mataram, a song, a sentiment and a salute to the idea of India. Bands of the Army, the Navy, Air Force and paramilitary forces played compositions that traced India's journey. Now, from colonial shackles to sovereign strength, Prime Minister Narendra Modi applauded the precision, the dignity, the honor with which India's forces paid their tributes to history. Viewers, this wasn't a BJP event. This was an event to celebrate our forces. And yet, when the nation stood still in respect, the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, and the leader of opposition in the Rajya Sabha and Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge did not turn up. Their absence did not go unnoticed. Within hours, the BJP trained guns on the Congress leadership, accusing the Congress of showing disdain towards India's democratic traditions and the armed forces.
सेना का अपमान, संविधान का अपमान, यही राहुल गांधी कांग्रेस पार्टी की पहचान। आज बीटिंग रिट्रीट सेरेमनी था। ये महत्वपूर्ण सेरेमनी है। सेना वहां पर उपस्थित रहती है, सभी सेना प्रमुख उपस्थित रहते हैं, प्रधानमंत्री, राष्ट्रपति, उपराष्ट्रपति, सभी संविधान के जो इंपॉर्टेंट पोजीशन होल्डर्स वो रहते हैं। पर एलओपी ने आज बंक कर दिया। राहुल गांधी, खड़गे जी दोनों ने बंक किया। ऐसा क्यों होता है? ये इसलिए होता है क्योंकि ये संविधान और सेना का सम्मान नहीं करते। ये दिखाते हैं कि उनको चिंता है प्रोटोकॉल की, परंतु जब उनको इनवाइट किया जाता है वीपी ओथ के लिए, वो नहीं जाते। जब सीजीआई ओथ के लिए बुलाया जाता है, वो नहीं जाते। केवल और केवल वो ड्रामा करते हैं।
So the BJP leaders have pointed that when it comes to national ceremonies, Rahul Gandhi is consistently missing. They have reminded of 4 major constitutional and national occasions in the recent past to accuse Rahul Gandhi of abandoning constitutional responsibility. From beating retreat ceremony now to the Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan's oath-taking ceremony, to the Independence Day celebrations of last year, to even the Chief Justice of India, Surya Kant's oath-taking ceremony. The BJP says that for Rahul, LOP means LLOP, which stands for Leader of Leisure and Propaganda. Let's take a look at the events that have been skipped by Rahul Gandhi, that have been cited by the BJP. The most recent one, of course, is the beating the retreat ceremony that took place yesterday. Rahul Gandhi was not in attendance, and you'd remember this comes amid the Congress party's criticism. They went on to say that there was protocol not followed because Rahul Gandhi was given a row much behind the senior leaders. This was during the Republic Day celebrations, after which BJP also cited the CJI's oath-taking ceremony, the Vice President's swearing-in ceremony, as well as the Independence Day celebrations that were all skipped by Rahul Gandhi. Let's take a look at the foreign trips where protocol was breached, because while defending Rahul Gandhi, what Congress party is saying is that protocol was not followed during the Republic Day celebrations, so why should he attend? So let's talk about the protocols that have been breached previously as well. Multiple countries that he has visited, including Italy, Vietnam, the UAE, Qatar, UK and Malaysia. In all of these, the CRPF has cited that there has been a protocol breach. Now, just days ago, the Congress was up in arms over Republic Day seating arrangements, and they posted pictures of the leader of opposition and Mallikarjun Kharge, where they were seen seated in the 3rd row behind the Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan. So the Congress called it a protocol breach and claimed disrespect to the post of leader of opposition. Now, the same Congress, which spoke about tradition and protocol, is defending Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge's decision to give beating retreat a miss.
लोकतंत्र की खूबसूरती पक्ष विपक्ष और असहमति से भी है, उससे मजबूत होती है। और ये मैं कह सकता हूँ कि जिस प्रकार 26 जनवरी में लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन के साथ जो व्यवहार किया गया है, ये कोई राहुल गांधी जी या खड़गे साहब का अपमान केवल नहीं है, ये उस पद के उस गरिमा के प्रतिकूल उन्होंने व्यवहार किया है। तो पहले ये बताएं कि जो परंपराएं हैं, लोकतांत्रिक पद्धति रही परंपराएं रहे, रिपब्लिक डे, गणतंत्र दिवस पे अगर इस प्रकार वो उसे अगर हल्का कर दे वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी, तो क्या आपको लगता है ये उचित है? एक संदेश देना जरूरी है कि ये देश सबका है। तो ये सेना का अपमान नहीं है, ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी जानबूझ के इस प्रकार के कृत्य करती है और मैं समझता हूं परंपराओं का हमेशा अवहेलना कर रही है।
My colleague Nyamika is joining us on the broadcast with the details of Congress Party's defense and the criticism that it is facing. Nyamika, was it really only because of the seating arrangements that Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge decided to give this event a skip?
Well, it seems so, Pratibha, because there is no official statement which is being released either by the Congress President's office or by Rahul Gandhi's office, as we have seen that how it was being informed to us by the sources within the Congress party that both of the leader of opposition, whether it is Mallikarjun Kharge or Rahul Gandhi, both of them had got the invitation to attend the beating retreat ceremony, but both of them have skipped this particular ceremony. On the other side, we have seen that how the Congress party had started reacting over this matter. They have basically stated that BJP has no right to question the opposition leaders because they have also breached the protocols. The way in which both the LOPs were being asked to sit in the third row during the Republic Day parade, that is also a breach of protocol, a breach of decorum, which was not being maintained on the part of the BJP government at center, and that is the only reason why the Congress party is also trying to justify their stand by saying that this is a political messaging which they have done, as the LOPs didn't attend the beating retreat ceremony. But clearly the BJP has got an opportunity to raise questions upon Rahul Gandhi and Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, saying that this is an attack upon the constitution, as they have skipped various important events in this country which are related to our armed forces or which are related to the constitutional position which they are holding.
Okay, all right. Nyamika, thank you for joining us with those details. Now, this controversy does not end there, because the Congress wants you to believe that it's a stickler for protocol and democratic traditions. But let's not forget what happened at the president's at-home reception themed on Northeastern culture as well, because Rahul Gandhi did not wear the traditional gamosa. He was seen holding it in his hand, and he also left the president's event early. So what about tradition, protocol and decorum now? Now, sample the criticism that is coming in from the BJP.
देखो, ऐसा है कि कांग्रेस के डूबते जहाज पर बैठे हुए ये डायनेस्टी के जो डपोर शंख हैं, ये आज भी इस बात को समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं कि तमाम दुनिया के संकट और कंटक को पछाड़ करके नरेंद्र मोदी जी जो है वो जिस मजबूती के साथ लाए हैं तूफान से कश्ती निकाल के, तो ये उसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। और आज भी जो है वो, जैसा खुद भी प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा कि आप जो है वो समस्या के समाधान का हिस्सा बनिए, व्यवधान का हिस्सा मत बनिए। लेकिन ये लोग जो है वो समस्या के समाधान का हिस्सा नहीं बनना चाहते, बल्कि व्यवधान का किस्सा बनने में लगे हुए हैं।
भाई, राहुल गांधी बिजी लीडर हैं, उनको पार्टी के नेता हैं, लेकिन उनको पार्टी करनी होती है, इतना उनके पास समय नहीं है। वो पार्ट टाइम पॉलिटिशियन है और विपक्ष के नेता का जो जिम्मा है 24/7 है, उसमें वो मिसफिट हो रहे हैं। लगता है उनके लिए एक ऊंची कुर्सी बना दी जाए और उस पे वो बैठे रिवॉल्विंग चेयर, वहीं से देखें सब कुछ को, कुर्सी की तलाश में है।
So here is what happened. During the Republic Day celebrations, Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge were given seats in the third row. And the Congress party fumed and cited protocol. They claimed disrespect to the leader of opposition. And let's talk about what happened during the beating retreat ceremony. Rahul Gandhi and Kharge both skipped the ceremony. And of course, we also saw during the president's dinner ceremony as well, Rahul Gandhi and Kharge were invited to the event. And the BJP says that it was an insult to tradition because Rahul Gandhi did not wear the gamosa. And also during the beating the retreat ceremony as well, both the senior leaders of the Congress party were not present. So that is what has been cited by the BJP. With that, we shift our attention now.